Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to make a mini bow and we are going to throw fire arrow. We get 4 brochette sticks and we put them together. Now we use electrical tape to stick them together. We put electrical tape in the middle and in the top part and in the bottom. With a fishing line, we make a double knot in one side and another double knot in the other side. We have to tight and blend the bow when we are doing the second end. The bow is ready. Now we are going to make the arrow. To make the fire arrow, we are going to use a sparkler. We are going to cut the sparkler in a piece of 3 to 5 centimeters. We are going to use the silicone gun to attach the sparkler to the brochette stick, and this will be our fire arrow. To make a normal arrow, we are going to put a bit of silicone in the head of the brochette stick. And finally, we make a slot on the knob of the brochette stick. It's time to put it on test. Wow, not bad for such a small bow. Try from a longer distance. I'm going to add some butane to this balloon and let's see if we can set it on fire with a fire arrow. It doesn't get on fire. Maybe there was not enough butane. Let's try with more butane. Fail! I need to go faster. No explosion. I need more butane. This one is filled only with butane. What? No explosion again. More butane. More butane. What? No explosion, my god! I'm going to try with the lighter. Whoa, now we got fire. I think the sparkler is not power enough. I'm going to try with some gasoline. Here is my gasoline arrow. Now it should work. No, why is that hard? I need to buy powerful sparklers and try again. Oh, what a shame of video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.